Kiddyland in Harajuku, Omotesando Street. And it's Halloween night, so I don't think it's going to be as busy. So we decided to do the tour now. So we're going to go, we decided the best way to do it is to go to the top and then come down. So we'll take the elevator to the very top. Stop at the Penthouse Rilakkuma's house. This is the most interesting floor.
Like
but it's the ball.
The ball thingies. Not squishies.
I saw them before. That's a possible
gift.
thing I'm gonna get.
Look at these things.
Oh yeah, those things again.
Look, I'm gonna spell the name. Ready? They're usually in alphabetical order, but like Japanese alphabet. So ka should be placed. Ka.
Let's go do it on this.
Okay, see, this is why I didn't want to get one because. Oh, this was in the wrong spot. Rude. That said cotton, but then it's pink, pink, yellow. That's boring.
Oh.
I would like blue, pink, yellow, or green, pink, yellow. But I could add like a little Karen Coon. There, I'm a little boy.
Going in.
Okay.
So this is the Miffy section. I don't know what that means. Brunette fair. This is the softest one out of all of them. I've discovered that.
I keep seeing the steam cream stuff everywhere with like characters on it. I don't know what it is.
These ones aren't soft. The standard ones. Hey, look. Oh, look at this guy. His name's Stick. Maybe. Remember last time we were here, Miffy only had like a table. It is. Rashi's in the Rilakkuma store. stationery. It's a gigantic, what's this? It's like a hug pillow slash. Is it good? How can we bring that home? Carry on. It's my neck pillow. Tell the flight attendants. Oh, I've never seen this one. Whoa. Huh. Collab. Which is the 3rd floor. And it's Star Wars stuff. Star Wars, Marvel, some Fortnite, Mario, some Pokemon. Check out that bag. See if you like it. See how much it is. Check it out. I don't know about strong.
They still exist.
They still exist.
But look at they have like these cool trainers.
It's funny.
I like that.
Hey, I'm Tara. They're coming back.
But do Greg and Emily still remember all their names? Isn't
Probably.
Like this one Penelope or something?
Something. I think he was rare
This one
at one point.
This one was like
Oh.
when they had a little plastic finger on it.
Yeah. They have plastic figures, a lot of them.
Look at new arrival. They're Pokeball terrariums. Oh. They're only $7.50. I like this one. Look at him sleeping.
Cute. Look, Aaron. Instead of Thomas, you can have the Yamanote. Shin-chan. Okay, so that's floor number 3. Going to floor number 2. That floor is always never my favorite floor because it sells toys that we can get back in Canada, so.
Brand, but not
True.
specific items.
True. Pearl.
This is my favorite.
This is her favorite floor, other than the top floor.
I do like the brownies up upstairs, but she really likes always in favor.
It's always a great display to come down to.
You put a little coin here, and it weights it down, and then he opens his mouth and eats it.
Oh yeah? Oh, creepy. Kind of
Oh, look, there he goes.
cool. It's nice in here.
So I guess this is like a birth month thing. So I guess
Yeah, they do have the brown one here.
we'd both be 6.
How much is the brown one?
This one?
Remember we saw them at the...
Yeah, well, they're all the
They were pretty
same.
expensive. I don't know. Was it 1100? Yeah, it was. It's so expensive.
I like this one with
The little guy.
little scanner.
Bags.
Oh, this is the one that I got.
It's pretty cute. I don't know what to make of him.
There's,
He's like,
look, he's kind of like, not that big.
what's with the ears? He's almost like a
Like
a rodent and not a bear. What'd you call it?
wonky round.
Let me say wombat. Tea section. Minions everywhere.
Very soft. Look at him. Oh. Wait. You know, anytime somebody shows his bum, I have to do it. Poncho.
Yeah, big floor's done.
Wait.
Doraemon? Doraemon?
In case you didn't know who Doraemon is, this cup explains it to you. Doraemon is a cat-type robot born on September 3rd, 2100. Well, I don't know how to say that here. He hates mice and his favorite food is dorayaki.
Oh, I didn't know that. Cool. I guess he's on Dorayaki. That's why he's on Dorayaki stuff. I like Doraemon. I would get a Doraemon bag if they had it. Doraemon. Do they have a Doraemon bag? Of course not. They have that. I don't know what that is. But I couldn't wear that around. I know. Looking at
I
it.
love green, but this is weird.
It's weird. Actually, Monchishis are weird. Period.
Look, he's drinking Monster Milk.
Okay. Let's head down to the last floor. First floor? You know who's gonna be in the first floor?
Everything else.
I think. I forget his name now.
Funashi?
Kopen-chan. He's sold out at Character Street. Like they completely. We were there a week ago and they had so many of them, and I was thinking of getting, and we went back there yesterday and they were all sold out. A Kopen-chan store without Kopen-chan.
I want one of these, I just don't know which one to get. I think,
Oh, they're expensive.
I know, but you get to build the whole thing yourself. I think. No, this one.
If you do now, we can get tax free maybe. Okay.
Did you see this? There's no way for construction.
Land. What are these?
The table things.
The what?
The phone things to hold your cable. To keep your
I
table
see.
free.